In the evolving landscape of global fashion, where creativity meets responsibility, Fakir Fashion Limited stands among Bangladesh's premier apparel manufacturers. Founded in 2009 by Fakir Badruzaman, and now led by his sons Fakir Kamruzaman Nahid and Fakir Wahiduzaman Riyadh, the company has grown into a powerful force in the global apparel industry. Today, FFL generates more than $220 million in annual revenue and is powered by a family of over 20,000 workers and professionals. Headquartered in Rupganj, Narayanganj, Fakir Fashion Limited is a fully vertically integrated knit composite manufacturer.
Each day, the facility produces 65 tons of knitting, 75 tons of dyeing, more than 80,000 printed garments, 20,000 embroideries, 300,000 stitched pieces, and 60,000 innovative wash finishes. From dresses and fleece to joggers and hoodies, our garments reach markets across the world, crafted using next-generation fibers such as recycled cotton, hemp, and Leva Eco.
Through F Studio London, fashion trends are researched and transformed into forward-thinking concepts. These ideas are further developed by F Studio Bangladesh and our in-house research and development teams, where innovative fabrics and complex designs take shape for global buyers. Our knitting division operates more than 200 machines from Fukuhara, Pailung, and Meyer & C. Dyeing uses European Sklavos machines and automated color laboratories for precise shade development and efficient processing, while specialized finishing treatments enhance both performance and aesthetics. Precision continues through cutting, printing, and stitching. Advanced CAD systems optimize material use, while Tajma and ZSK machines bring embroidery and embellishments to life. Quality assurance remains central to our process. Certified laboratories with international testing instruments ensure every garment meets strict global standards before reaching the world. Innovation continues through our Smart Factory 5.0 initiative, where Logic ERP, SmartTex AI, RFID tracking, and 3D sampling integrate digital intelligence into manufacturing. Environmental responsibility is equally vital. Effluent treatment, rainwater harvesting, solar power, biomass energy, and battery storage systems help reduce environmental impact while advancing ambitious climate goals. Through healthcare programs, childcare facilities, skill development initiatives, and worker welfare programs, Fakir Fashion Limited continues to invest in the well-being and empowerment of its workforce, because true progress in fashion is defined not only by style, but by responsibility. Fakir Fashion Limited. Sustainable clothes for a sustainable future.